Tanya is just one of the lucky women who discovered a special way to easily and quickly create a slender new body in a natural way. She was so concerned about her muffin top that she was unwilling to be seen in a pair of jeans. Jeannie was always trying to figure out how to lose muffin top fast. She didn't feel comfortable in fitted clothing because of the excess that had accumulated over the years. Then, there was Betty, who had a muffin top middle that simply wouldn't go away. But you don't see these kinds of problems in my drawing because Tanya, Jeannie, and Betty all found the easy way to lose that stubborn muffin top. They each had attempted nearly every diet and exercise system they could find. They tried grueling exercises, dangerous diet pills, eating plans that didn't work, and just plain deprivation. But one day Tanya stumbled onto a great little video that helped her to quickly conquer muffin top and create a new healthy body. Tanya learned that there were only a few essential things she needed to do in order to have the slim, stunningly beautiful body she really wanted. She learned that some kinds of workouts and diet plans can actually make slimming down nearly impossible. Tanya learned precisely how to handle her diet and exercise in an easy and simple way. After just one single week, she could feel a really big difference. She could even see the changes in her body. So Tanya talked about this amazing system and what effect it had on her life. Jeannie and Betty viewed the video as well. They easily followed the instructions and began to see results. Betty said that she felt amazing. They began slimming down quickly, and they both said that it was really simple. To see this incredible 5-star video and learn how to lose muffin top quickly and easily, just click the link below this video clip. Here is what that link looks like. Click on it now, while this 5-star video is still available.